So, meditation has so many benefits. The benefit इतने सारे इसके benefits हैं. It's a long list. If every day, if we just can do 10 minutes meditation, it helps a lot in improving our mental health. Any kind of panic attack, anxiety, it can be relieved. Like boost our immunity. हमारे अंदर dopamine, serotonin ना it increases its level. The size of the amygdala ना which is responsible for the anxiety, it reduces. Literally, मतलब like with scan we have seen, science has proven, if we do just 10 minutes meditation, mindfulness meditation, then size of the amygdala reduces, it shrinks. It also increases our neuroplasticity. We become flexible instead of becoming controlling and rigid. Our brain becomes more flexible. And every day when we practice visualization, mindfulness, it increases our focus. हमारा focus भी बहुत बढ़ता है. Our memory also becomes stronger. So it is said that there was an experiment done. दो ग्रुप्स बनाए गए. One group was physically practicing piano, playing piano, and another group, it was made to practice in visualization. They were visualizing and practicing, not in real, but through visualization they were practicing piano. And after a certain time, both groups showed similar changes in their motor, in their prefrontal cortex, in their motor activity. तो जो विजुअलाइज कर रहा था ग्रुप और जो फिजिकली प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था पियानो का, दोनों में सिमिलर चेंजेस देखे गए. तो देयर इज अ रूल ऑफ माइंड कैन नॉट डिस्क्रिमिनेट बिटवीन रियलिटी एंड इमेजिनेशन. जो हम इमेजिन कर रहे हैं, दैट इज हैपनिंग इन रियल फॉर अवर माइंड. So if we are reminding of ourselves any bad incident, it's happening at present moment for our mind. It means our body reacts as if it is happening now. इसलिए बोलते हैं ना, अच्छा सोचो अच्छा होगा. If you think good, good will come to you. Good will happen to you. Yeah. So these kind of experiment done so many times with athletes, with patient of stroke, cardiac patient, similar results. With meditation, they could improve their health a lot. तो मेडिटेशन में आप ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी फॉर्म्स ऑफ मेडिटेशन वेयर वी कैन जस्ट फोकस ऑन आवर ब्रेथ. आप बैठिए 5 मिनट और जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर ब्रेथ, नथिंग एल्स. इफ एनी थॉट्स आर कमिंग, लेट देम कम एंड गो. माइंडफुलनेस मेडिटेशन को भी यही होता है जहाँ पे हम केवल प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में रहते हैं. यू कैन जस्ट कीप वन फ्लेम और वन ऑब्जेक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. यू आर जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन दैट. ग्रेटिट्यूड मेडिटेशन ये सब हम करेंगे. and then we will practice affirmation. Now, after meditation we affirm this: I am a courageous person, I am bold, I am part of Krishna, I am strong, I can do this, yes I can do this. Yeah. And then visualization of the goals. आज हमें क्या क्या करना है, या हमारे लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स क्या क्या हैं ना. माई एकेडमिक गोल, माई करियर गोल, माई रिलेशनशिप गोल, माई हेल्थ गोल. देन इंटेंशन सेटिंग भी की जाती है, लाइक टुडे व्हाट आई वांट टू अचीव. सो टुडे वी विल डू माइंडफुलनेस मेडिटेशन फर्स्ट. ओके, आज हम माइंडफुलनेस मेडिटेशन करेंगे. वी विल जस्ट फोकस ऑन आवर बॉडी. सो प्लीज क्लोज योर आईज. अपनी आंखें बंद कर लें. First we will focus on our breath for 5 breaths, then we will start meditating. Take a deep breath in. अपनी focus on your breath. When you inhale, feel the air is going inside, oxygen is going inside each part of the body, each part of your cell is absorbing this oxygen nicely. Just relax. One more time, breathe in consciously. Breathe out consciously. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Just be relaxed. No hurry, no rush, just relax. Now breathe gently, consciously. Continue calm, deep breaths. Now bring your awareness to your body. Just focus on our feet. अपने पैरों की तरफ अपना ध्यान लेके जाइए. And relax your feet. Any kind of tension, tightness is there, just shake it off. Move little bit. Now move your legs and relax them. My feet are completely relaxed. Now bring your awareness, consciousness towards your legs. Relax your legs. Your waist. Now slowly bring your awareness towards your stomach. Relax your stomach. Any kind of fear, let it go. You are completely safe and protected. Any kind of stress is just melting away and leaving your body. Relax your stomach. Continue deep breaths. Just imagine relaxation is going in. Any kind of tension is going out. Just take some conscious breath. Relaxation is going inside. Tension is going out. It's leaving your body. Please relax your chest. Relax your arms, neck. Just be conscious of your breath. Relaxation is going inside. And any kind of tension, it is going outward. It's leaving your body. I'm completely safe and protected. I'm under the shelter of Krishna. I'm completely safe and protected. Now feel a warm wave of relaxation is flowing through your body. The entire body, your facial muscles are completely relaxed. Your head, आपका सर भी एकदम relaxed हो गया है. No fear, no anxiety, no tension. Everything is gone away. जो कुछ भी था सब निकल गया है. A warm relaxation energy is flowing into my body. What we are imagining, we are creating inside our body. I am completely relaxed. I am completely peaceful. I am completely calm. Repeat this affirmation. I am completely relaxed. I am completely calm. I am completely peaceful. Breathe in relaxation, breathe out tension. Now imagine a beautiful golden white light is coming from directly from lotus feet of Krishna, from space. And this light is filled with energy, blessing, love, healing power of Krishna. So as soon as this light is entering from top of your head inside your body, you can feel that blessing, that energy, that healing power. It's blessing you, energizing you, healing you. Like a soothing moonlight. It's so soothing. It's going inside and healing my body. This is a special light. This spiritual light coming from spiritual world. Now imagine my all neurons, brain cells, they are energized by this light. All 80 billion neurons, they are healing, they are energizing. Just imagine this golden light is entering inside. My brain is filled with this light. My nervous system, my neck, shoulder, healing, energizing, feeling blessed. Now this light is spreading to each and every cell of my body. Each cell is filled with energy, vitality. Just keep your eyes closed. Now this light is moving down. Now my cardiac health, my respiratory system is healing. Any kind of blockages, they are resolving, dissolving in this light. And this light is repairing each cell, each part of my body. My cardiovascular system is healing. Now this light is moving further. Digestive system, which includes liver, intestine, stomach, kidneys, pancreas. Every part of my digestive system is healing, energizing. feeling blessed. My endocrine system, which is responsible for my hormones, it's coming into balance. This light is healing each and every part of my bodily system, nervous system, endocrine system, cardiovascular system, digestive system, respiratory system, and reproductive system. Now feel your entire body is filled with this blessed life. Completely relaxed, healed, energized, and blessed. You are feeling completely safe, loved, and blessed. Now, visualize your goals, your health goals. What do you want? कैसी हेल्थ देखना चाहते हैं आप? उसे विजुअलाइज कीजिए. आई एम completely healthy, fit, energetic, flexible, filled with vitality. Picture yourself. खुद को देखिए. The healthy you. You are walking so many steps, thousands of steps, without any tiredness. Your body is completely fit. You are dancing, running, doing yoga, laughing with your family members. You are traveling for miles together. Your health is completely, your body is completely supporting you. Imagine yourself very young, energetic, confident person. खुद को आपको देखना है, आप एक energetic, young, confident person. Young means not with age, with the consciousness, with chetana. The soul never dies, the soul never grows old. You are just grateful for the life given by God. You are grateful for the moment. Thank you. Thank you. You express your gratitude to Lord Krishna for healing you, energizing you, blessing you. Thank you for this beautiful, wonderful life. Now set an intention for the day. ना आज आपका दिन कैसा देखना चाहते हैं? You can set an intention. I will be mindful today. I will not dwell in the past. I will not be worried about the future. I will just be present. And throughout day, you can just do this meditation. No? During your work also, my body is blessed, energized, healed by Krishna. I am completely healthy and fit. I am consciousness. And this body is just a beautiful temple of God. I am pure consciousness. Take a deep breath in and release. I am energetic. I am bold, strong, courageous. I am part of Krishna. I can do anything. So you can open your eyes. Of your palms, open your eyes. So this was the mindfulness meditation for today. How are you feeling? Let me know in chat box. And then we will end. you able to do it? आप कर पाए meditation or there was any difficulty? Let me know. If you just could remind yourself, I'm pure consciousness, I'm pure consciousness, I'm part of the Supreme. You feel so, no, no, you feel so relaxed. At the same at the same time, you also feel the power. You don't feel powerless. You feel, yes, I'm part of Krishna. I'm pure consciousness. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. Have a Krishna conscious day ahead. Yes, we'll meet on Monday now. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you.